Hello and welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom. Today we're going to cook this pot roast here, and we're going to have these little potatoes in it. I'll put celery in it. I'll put these 2 onions in it, and I'm going to put a little bit over a pound of baby carrots in it, and we'll start out with some olive oil here. So the first thing I'm going to do is take this and get it washed, or this piece of beef, and get it washed off real good. Okay, now I got this roast washed up and dried off here. And now the next thing we're going to do is put about 2 tablespoons of oil down in this FOODi DELUXE pot here. And then we're going to turn on the power. I'm going to turn the knob to where it says sear and saute here. And then we'll hit the start button, and it's going to be on high. So we'll give it a minute or 2 to warm up. And in the meantime, we'll take just a little bit of this grill mace here. Not much, just barely. And put some on there. I'm going to take some of this LAWRY'S Southwest Sweet and Smoky seasoning and put on here. Now we'll put a little pepper. A little bit of salt. And now we're going to turn it over and do the same thing to the other side. Okay, now we'll bring this piece of meat over here. And we'll put it down in this pot, and we'll try to sear all the edges on it. And we'll start out with holding it down here on the, holding it up on the ends like this. Letting it sear like that. It'll almost sit there by itself. I'll tell you how it gets hot down in there. Just pay attention. Now let's go lay it over on the side. Let it get started. Okay, now I'm going to try to flip it over here. Now. Well, look at how good that sear looks. Well, let me get so you can. See how good that looks. You didn't know better, you think it's ready to eat. Now, since I do this side here, I'm going to take it out. Just wanted to show you this roast after I took it out of there being seared. That looks great, doesn't it? Now next thing I'm going to do, I've got a cup and a half of this beef broth. Okay, now we'll dump my cup and a half of beef broth down in here. And then, oh, and by the way, if you noticed, I didn't take any of those juices and oils or anything like that out. Left it all down in there because it's got so much good flavor in it. And then we'll dump all these onions in there that Kay was so nice to chop up for me. We'll stir them around just a little bit so I can get some of that oil and juice from that beef on them. And now, got this pot roast on this little trivet here, or rack, or whatever you call it, coming with the FOODi DELUXE here. And so now we'll take and put it in the FOODi DELUXE. And set it right down on top of those onions. Like that. Wiggle it around a little bit so it'll settle down. Now, okay, now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the pressure lid here, put down on top of it, line up your arrows here and then turn it clockwise so it stops. Make sure your valve in the back here is turned to seal and not vent. And then come down here and turn your knob till you come to pressure. Alright, now you go over here and hit your little, it's on high, we're going to leave it on high. You come over here and hit your time button, and then your time starts flashing. So we're going to run it up to 35 minutes. Okay, and then we'll hit the start button. Okay, now it's going to take it for a while before it builds up pressure and starts cooking on here. It'll probably take it 10 or 15 minutes. I'll try to let you know exactly how long it takes when it starts. But it's going to take that long before it starts cooking. And then after about 35 minutes, we'll do some more stuff to it. So grab a minute while we're watching these lights jump around here. If you can, join our channel and give us a thumbs up. We sure appreciate it. And thank you all the people that has joined our channel. And so we'll be back in a few minutes to see the progress on this. Okay, now the button has popped up and it started counting down. It took exactly 10 minutes for it to start. So that's not too bad at all. Now, I've been telling y'all to be extremely careful of this lid up here, because this metal strip right here gets so hot. You know, it really surprised me they didn't catch it when they was building this machine. I'm going to see if I can put you over here so you can see how hot it gets. If I can get it where you can see my thermometer here. $180 right now. 180 is what that thing got up to. Let me see. Okay, now it's down under 30 seconds here. And so as soon as it gets down to the end, we'll go ahead and hit the relief valve on it and go ahead and vent it. And then we'll go add these veggies to it. Okay, that's the end of that 35-minute cook time. Now we'll go ahead and release the pressure. Okay, now it's been releasing for almost 3 minutes. And so I think the little pin's about ready to drop, because it sounds like the pressure is about to stop coming out. But it sure does smell good. Okay, and there it dropped. It took exactly 4 minutes and 45 seconds for it to drop. Now we're going to take this lid off. Make sure you turn it away from your face. Oh yeah, look at that pretty piece of meat down there. Oh yeah, that looks nice, doesn't it? Alright, now the next thing we're going to do, we'll take these carrots and celery here and dump down in here. Get them all out and pushed around here. We'll take these little potatoes I got here and dump them in. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Now, next thing we're going to do is put the pressure lid right back on. Line up your arrows, turn it clockwise till it stops. Make sure you turn your valve back to seal instead of vent. And come over here and turn off the power, because you got to start over. And turn on the power. Come over here to where it says pressure again, it's on high. We want it to go for 15 minutes. So you hit your little time button here. It'll start flash, put it up to 15 minutes. And hit start. And there it goes. So I don't know exactly how long it's going to take for it to build up pressure again this time, and then we'll keep track and I'll let you know. Okay, now the little button popped up in the back, and it's been a little over right at 10 minutes, and it'll take another minute or two before it starts counting down to 15 minutes here. But it shouldn't be long now. Okay, and there it goes finally. It'll take about 14 minutes total time for it to start cooking again, counting when the button popped up and all. So another 14 minutes we'll be ready to eat some dinner if we can get that out of there. Okay, now we're down to about 20 seconds left on this, and it's going to be about time to eat some dinner. While I'm thinking about it, I sure appreciate all you people that watches our videos. It means a lot to us. So now that's the end of that cook. Now we'll go ahead and hit the release button. Let it go. That's probably going to take it 4 or 5 minutes to do this. So we'll be back in about 4 or 5 minutes. Okay, and there the pin finally dropped. And now we're going to take this lid off here. I'm going to turn it around first a little bit. Now, make sure when you open this up, turn it counterclockwise and turn it away from your face. Now look at that. Now let's get this a little bit closer so you can see better. Now let's see, look there. Stick a fork right down in that potatoes. Oh yeah. Carrots, tender as they can be. On that beef, you just tear it apart with a fork. So let me see if I can start getting some of this out of here, and we'll see what it looks like. We'll see if I can pick this up down on this platter here without making too big of a mess. Oh yeah, look at that. Now we'll get me a fork and just get that all off of there. I'll use my little handy dandy Fry Daddy scoop. And now I've got that much off, I'm just going to try to turn it up. Dump it right off on a tray like that. Making sure it don't all go in the floor. Okay, now I'm going to take this Fry Daddy scoop and see if I can scoop these onions. Some of all this goodness gravy out of here. Put on there just like that. Look at that, those onions on top of that stuff. Tell you, I don't know how to do without a Fry Daddy scoop. I don't use the Fry Daddy a whole lot because I don't like fried foods, but I sure do put this little scoop to good use. So I'll finish doing this and I'll be back in a second. Okay, let's see just how tender this thing is. Well, you can see the way that fork goes in, it just falls in. Now look at that piece of pot roast right there. Now, nobody will ever accuse you of having a dried out pot roast for dinner. Oh, that's so good. It's probably a good thing Kay's at home, because she wasn't home. I don't know if she'd have any of this when she got home or not, because I might eat it all. Because this sure is good. And so, thanks again for watching my little videos. I hope you watch more of them, and I hope you come back and see me real soon. I hope to have another video for you real soon. And so until then, y'all have a real good and safe day. And we'll see you soon. Goodbye now. That's going to be so good right there.